Every new academic year is a chance to reset the student dining experience and make a bold first impression. Your guests are looking for hospitality-rich, experience-driven, high-quality moments that will create memories and social-worthy moments. Here are 5 ways that you can deliver an exceptional dining experience right from day one. First, train and empower your dining team. Your people are the experience. They're not just serving food, they're shaping moments of comfort and connection and care. Equip them with the tools and the training and the authority to solve problems and serve with purpose. Be sure to recognize those early wins and call out those team members who create standout experiences for your guests. Second, create a welcoming environment from day one. The dining journey starts before the food. It starts at the door, at the register, at the dining room. Make sure students feel at ease with friendly greetings and clear signage and helpful guidance. You can carefully craft each moment, from music to lighting to layout, to create a space that feels inviting and familiar. For many students, this is where comfort and community begin, and the beginning stages of loyalty to your brand. Next, lead with a hospitality mindset. Hospitality is about warmth and anticipation and care in every interaction. It's about empathy and understanding to create those memorable moments. Offer help before it's asked, smile, explain, and listen. Make sure communication is clear even when it's busy. Dining plans can feel complex, so simplify the process as much as you can at every step. And inspire your team to learn guest names and preferences and favorites to start building relationships. Fourth, focus on food quality, consistency, and cleanliness. Great experiences are about more than just being nice. It's about every part of the dining experience. Students notice taste, temperature, portions, and presentation every time. And that's driven through a commitment to recipes, great ingredients, and consistent care throughout the kitchen. And yes, that means tasting everything. Cleanliness and sanitation must also be flawless, as well as the overall safety of your campus restaurants and eateries. Students also notice when you keep everything full, fresh, and stocked until the very end of service. When the food is great and the environment is clean, students come back. When it's not, well, they not only stay away, but they tell everybody on campus. Finally, listen and eliminate friction. Start listening on day one and discover what's working, what's not, and what's missing. Make it easy to understand your menus, navigate the stations, and get dietary support. Tech can help here. Use technology and innovation to streamline, not complicate, the experience. Remove barriers so students can eat well, feel good, and enjoy their time in your locations. So now's the time. Start strong. Show students that dining is more than just a meal. It's a service, a promise, and a point of pride, that they are welcomed and that you are here to help them build a sense of community that will drive their success. Let's lead with hospitality, let's deliver with excellence, and make this an unforgettable year. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.